Uh, 1092, got a suspect openly carrying a firearm. Show me on site. Might need backup. Over. Hey, bud. You know you're not supposed to be carrying that gun, right? In this city, we don't have fire. Are you reaching? Reach. Let me see your hands. God almighty, I told you to let me see your hands, bud. Oh, God. Alright, come on, roll over. Roll over. Alright, give me this hand. And this hand. Alright, come on. Put your hands behind your back. Quit resisting. 1092, suspect detained, code 4.